little friends, how are you? I am your Pinky ma'am back with the educational video. So are you ready for today's class? Yes, so your teacher has already taught you how to write alphabet F. Yes, so how to write alphabet F, which all lines are used, standing line and to sleeping line. Yes, and you can see the small f, right? So this is capital F and this is small f. Okay, so now I'll be teaching you the phonic sound of alphabet F. So are you ready? The phonic sound of alphabet F is F. F. Repeat after me. F. Very good. So which picture is this? This is the picture of Indian flag, our national flag. F for flag, F for flag. F for flag, F for flag. F for fan, F for fan. This is a fan. F for fan. F for fish, F for fish, F for fish. F for fish, F for fish. Fish lives in water. And next is, what is this? You all can see this during monsoon season jumping all around. What is this? This is a frog. Yes. F for frog, F for frog. F for frog, F for frog. Next is fox. F for fox, F for fox. F for fox, F for fox. Fox is a wild animal. So today we have learned the phonic sound for alphabet F. In the next class I'll teach you phonic sound of a new alphabet. Till then, bye bye.